today we're gonna do a red, black, and glitter set for New Year's. So I'm gonna go over some of the stuff that I'm doing in the video, and then sometimes I'll just sit back and let you kind of watch me work. I'm using my stripped down dip powder as an acrylic powder, and then my extreme pink, Mia Secrets cake, and Mia Secrets black. I didn't end up using the cake, I ended up using my red apple. And these are two glitter mixes that I mixed myself. So, and I have two dampen dishes. Oh, also I'm going to use my new ModelOnes brush for the first time. My two dampen dishes are, one is for glitter and the other one is going to be for the regular acrylic, just so I don't get a lot of glitter in my nails when I'm doing the other ones that don't have glitter in them. So I'm going to start with the black, and this is my first time using pretty much everything here. It's the first time using my brush, these acrylic powders from Mia Secret, and the Mia Secret monomer as well. So you can kind of see through the video some that I'm struggling, just kind of learning the liquid to powder ratio and how to move the product around with this brush. I'm not used to using a brush that's this big. So I'm getting acclimated to that a little bit. You'll see me struggle a little bit in the video doing that as well. So I'm going to sit back and just let you guys kind of watch me work. I'll chime in from time to time when I think there's any tips that I wanted to give you on this. So just listen to the music and hang out. So with this ombre, I'm just basically trying to put a bead at the end of my nail and drag it up just about halfway, not quite halfway, so that when I put this pink cover over the top of it, it will have a gradient look, and it will turn out to be an ombre nail that I'm going to put glitter over the tip of it. The black was not that, I think it was hard to apply because I'm not used to this particular monomer and powder yet, but I think once I figure out how to get a thicker bead, it'll be okay. Now I'm used to using this stripped down color, and this is actually a dip powder that I got from Sally's, but I always use it as my cover pink because I love this color. It's a really nice cover pink. It's opaque. So this is typically what I use for my ombre nails, and you'll see I'm just putting a bead at the top of the nail, and then I'm dragging it over the black. It's going to take me a couple of beads to really cover that dark color underneath it. And then once I'm done with that, I'll do the other dark nail. I really wanted to do the black tips first because that's the strongest color, and I wanted to go ahead and clean my brush out when I'm done so it won't get all into my pink or any of the other colors I'm going to do. So again, I'm just going to sit back and let you guys finish watching. I'll chime back in a minute. So now I'm getting a little bit of monomer in my second dish so I can go ahead and apply the glitter tip on top of the black that I already put on here. Now, you probably noticed me drag some of that cover pink all the way down to the tip of my nail, the one that has the black ombre on it. And that's because I really just want the black background. I'm gonna cover both of those tips with this silvery gold glitter cover that I use. So that's why I'm doing that. And I'm actually just I'm testing out some things. So when I get to that middle fingernail, I haven't even applied the cover pink yet. I'm putting the glitter on first because I want to see which one looks better. Again, I'm kind of always experimenting on my nails and just seeing which process works better. So now I'm putting the cover pink on top of it, and I know that it's going to cover some of that glitter, but that's okay because when I'm done with it, I'm still going to go back after I've, sanded it down and all that, and I'm still going to put a little bit more glitter on top just to kind of make it pop a little more. So just sit back and watch me work a little bit, and you'll see me kind of doing different things on different nails, and that's really just because I'm testing some of these new products out and I just want to see what they're like. Oh, so here I'm going to go ahead and do my red nail. This is a big tip I want to give everybody. When I took these nails off, I realized I made a big mistake. You should probably put some kind of base rubber coat over your natural nail first, because they did stain my nails. So my nails had a very bright orange tint to them when I took it off. But I really, really love the color of this acrylic. It is super pretty. But yeah, again, cover your natural nail, protect it from that powder. That's the only color that I've put on my nails that's actually an acrylic powder anyways, that stained my nail. So definitely try to use I'm pretty sure a rubber base coat would be fine. Even just like a gel foundation would probably be okay, since it'll be attached by the tip and not the actual base of your nail. I'm gonna test that out next time just to see which one works better. But yeah, that definitely stained my nails, so be careful with that. And I'll sit back and let you watch, and I'll chime back in a minute with some more tips. Y'all, this color is so messy. I've got to work on getting my beads a little drier because this color runs, and once it gets down in your cuticle area in the sidewall of your nails, it stains it. It is so hard to get that color back off, and you can see my napkin down here is just a massacre. I got this stuff everywhere. I've really got to do some more practicing with this color. Once I get everything done, I'll get it cleaned up nice around the edges, but I literally had to file some of that red color off my nails. So I finally cleaned up the massacre, and I'm gonna start doing my cover pinks on my tips. But so far my favorite color that I've done with the Mia Secret is this red apple. As difficult as it was and as messy as it gets, it's very pretty. It's very thick, and it's just a really pretty ruby red color. So now I'm just gonna cover up this color, and I'm only doing ombre on one of the red tips. The last two nails that I'm gonna do are gonna be, one is just gonna be a full red nail, and I'll put matte polish on top of it, a matte gel coat that I have. And I'll link all of these products down in the description box below, and also I'll link the unboxing when I first got all these products, so that you'll know where every product I'm using in this video is coming from, and there'll be links for them as well. On my pinky nail, I'm gonna do kind of a reverse ombre where I'll do glitter at the top and drag it down and leave the tip of that red exposed. So sit back, listen to the music, and just keep watching. So I think I figured out what the problem is with the running. I think because this brush tip is so big, I'm not used to it. It's soaking up a lot more monomer and making my acrylic powder much runnier. So sorry, I didn't mean to blame this on the product. I think it's just user error and I need to figure out how to use that part. So I'm almost done doing this, and then I'm going to file everything and try to shape it up. I'll do a lot of that off camera because it was a lot of filing, y'all. I had to do a lot of filing to get these cleaned up and shaped right and to get those color bleeds out. But I'm just buffing them now, and I'm gonna go in and put my, so I'm using a gloss top coat of gel polish on some of them. This one is actually the matte gel polish that I'm using for just the red one. The other ones will have a gloss coat on them, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. So the top coat I've been using this top coat for years, is the Gelaze, just the plain gel top coat. And this is probably my 20th bottle of this that I've bought, but I love this one. I am going to try some more in the future. This one is a wipe off top coat, so you still have to wipe that sticky layer off the top. I did like the ModelOnes no wipe top coat, so I think I'm going to get some more of those and maybe switch over, but this has still always been my go-to gel top coat. I really like it. It goes on thick, it lasts for a long time, it doesn't yellow like some of the other top coats that I've dealt with before. But I just wanted to chime in and let you guys know what that was, and I'll link that in the description below as well. So now I'm just going to put some bling on a couple of these nails. I'm going to do a little triangle cluster on my red matte finish nails. And I just use super glue. I keep seeing videos with the gel resin and I just haven't gotten any yet. The super glue has always worked really well. My bling has never came off before, and this has been simple, but I may test it out one day. Just look for that video in the future. I'll probably get another nail haul here pretty soon, and I did want to try some of that just to see if it works a little better. But I'm going to do a little cluster on my ring finger, and then I'll just do a bling crown across the top of my index finger once I get to that one. So you guys can just sit back and watch. Hey guys, so I wanted to chime in and let you know that I got all of my crystals from a combination of Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and AliExpress. They were by far the cheapest on AliExpress, but you have to wait like a month for them to come in. But I like those probably the best. Michaels and Hobby Lobby have them and they're really cute, but they don't have a big variation of sizes, and then they're really expensive. Especially compared to AliExpress. So that's where I get all my bling from. And so everything is finally done, guys. So this set in total probably took me like 3 hours to do, just because I was taking my time and I tried to really clean everything up at the end. But this is it. This is my New Year's nails. I'm super excited. I have an outfit I'm gonna wear to match it. Very happy with the way this turned out. I'm excited to keep working with these products in the future. So here they are, guys, and I've got a couple snaps coming so you can see what they look like in still frame. If you guys like my videos, keep tuning in. I'm gonna try to upload once or twice a week as I get more videos. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, especially if there's anything you want to see me do in the future. Just comment below, and I'm always happy to try new stuff, and I'll put a video up of anything new I try. Thanks, guys.